Lemon can be a solution to get rid of negative energy. Did you know that the negative energy can affect your prosperity, your relationships and your health? Even more, the negative energy can surely stagnate the environment at your home. Usually you feel more comfortable when you only believe in things that you can understand and verify. That is why in most of the cases the rational mind cannot comprehend some remedies and rituals. Usually these rituals and remedies are a challenge to logic. Lemon is a fruit that has many functions. In this video we will explain one lemon unique function: neutralizing negative energy. Negative energy cannot be explained rationally, but it's there. Negative energy can affect our minds and our health on bad direction. Lemon, as one of the most popular fruits in the world, is able to neutralize the negative energy and restore our harmonious life. We just need to put ourselves surrounded by lemon scent, and for this you need green lemon. Neutralizing strength by lemon can be used in various ways. Place 3 green lemons on 3 different locations in your home and replace them when they have turned yellow or even black. Boil the peel in the rain to get the vapors of lemon green. If you wish, you can wear a little lemon as a talisman, for the fruit is able to absorb any negative energy around you. Prepare a basket and put 9 lemons in it to spread positive energy to all corners of your home. If you want wealth, then place 1 in the center of the basket and place the rest of the 8 surrounding. Want to keep away from people who have the trait of envy? Take the 3 lemons and store them in your desk drawer. Mix some lemon juice into the jar of water and spray the mixture into all corners of your home. You will change the bad energy into good energy. Place the glass vase with 3 lemons on your nightstand and the love would come into your life. Place some pieces of lemon, 4 pieces, on the plate so that they form a cross. This step can increase the improvement of your mood. Place a green lemon on the jacket and pants pocket, and remove it when it dries. It will absorb the negative energy that comes to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips and healthy hacks, subscribe to the channel.